In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Android Studio on Windows 11. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a complete Android development environment set up and ready to use on your Windows machine. Let's start with the download. Open your web browser and search for Android Studio Download. Click the official link from the Android developers site. On the download page, make sure Windows is selected as your platform. Then scroll down, read through the terms and conditions if you'd like. Tick the agreement box and click the download button. The installer file will start downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so just let it finish before moving on. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. This will launch the Android Studio Setup Wizard. Here, you can usually stick with the default options. Click Next to accept the recommended components, then Next again to choose the installation location. Unless you have a specific reason to change it, leave it at the default path and click Install. The installation process may take several minutes, as it's copying all the necessary files. When the installation completes, make sure the option to start Android Studio is checked. Then click Finish. Android Studio will now open for the first time. You may be asked whether you want to import settings from a previous installation. If this is your first time, choose the option that says, Do not import settings, and click OK. Next, you'll see the Android Studio Setup Wizard. This helps you install all the extra tools you need, like the Android SDK and the emulator. Choose the standard installation type, which is recommended for most users, and click Next. You can also pick a theme here, either light or dark, based on your preference. Click Next, then review the components that will be downloaded. Confirm by clicking Finish. Android Studio will now download and install the SDK, platform tools, and other required packages. This step can be a bit time-consuming, so be patient and avoid closing the window. Once everything is done, you'll see a message that the setup is complete. From here, you can click New Project to start building your first Android app, or open an existing project if you already have one. And that's it. Android Studio is now successfully installed on your Windows 11 computer and ready for development.